Hey guys, it's Nayli, and I'm going to quickly go over how I use my Day One app journal. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of journals. I have about 8 different journals that I actually use within this Day One app. So basically, this is my main journal. I'll write through it all throughout the day. You're able to see that, for example, I have multiple different things that happened within Wednesday, the 22nd, and each one is basically their own entry within that day. So I put something that I learned about cicadas. I got an email from my kids. Um, School, and then I screenshotted a conversation that I had with my husband. So it's really helpful to be able to just add a new entry, and it will all be within that day and what time you actually do it. I have other ones where I do have a template set up that you can do within the Day One for when I ask my kids questions. I have my Pinterest finds. And as you can see, I have, I don't know, let's say 10 different things that happened on the 21st. So each one is a new entry. And so it will again combine everything that happens within that day. So now you can see I have a journal for all of my outfits, which I just take a screen or a photo for. I have my book reviews, which I need to get a little bit better with and putting them in here. So I just put the title, the book cover, and then whatever Good Notes has, I kind of dump that into this one. The next one I have is newspapers and articles. So I have a shortcut that is on my iPhone that is set up to pull from the front page of the New York Times. So every single morning I will go through and hit this shortcut to be able to grab the screenshot basically of the front page. The next one I have is all my kids' schoolwork. Anything related to school goes in here, and I just scan it as a PDF, and that one really works. Allie Edwards is all the pages that I've been creating right now, so I am uploading them the day that they are completed, and so some days we'll have more than one, but that's how I'm kind of laying all of my stuff out. I did create one just for recipes because I think that would be a nice way to be able to search for a recipe later on, which is super easy to search within here because you can hit the little magnifying glass and, for example, you can hit plants or type in plants, and it'll bring up any entry that has plants as the word in there. So I think that's kind of neat to be able to do that. It's different. Um, but yeah, it's a easy way to find all your stuff within a commonplace book feel, I guess you could say. So I'm going to show you a quick example. Let's try this with the Allie Edwards of when you're done or you're ready to print, you can preview your book really at any time. You're able to change the back cover to whatever color you want. You can change those 4 pictures. You can change the cover to whatever you are feeling. I just pick a different color every single time. And then you can choose a random photo for your front page, or you can set up a photo as well. But we'll use this one for example. You're able to title it. It will automatically pull in what the journal is, and then you can put your name at the bottom if you want, which I think I'm going to remove going forward for me. Now for the content, this is where you can actually either pick one journal. So if I wanted to do all my Allie Edwards stories as just one journal, I can do that, or you're able to select multiple journals to do it as well. So I believe in this example, I'm going to just choose the newspapers. And the next thing that you want to do is actually choose your time frame, which I'll just choose the 17th, which I was trying to do May 17th, which now looking back, this is why I had 112 pages. And it kind of gives you a price as you go along as well. So I do believe the price goes down 25% or 20% when you order through them. Most of these things are already ticked on, but the ones that you do have to do majority of the time is the weather, the tags, and the journal. This is kind of what pulls in automatically at the top for every entry. So it'll pull the time that you made the entry, what the weather was like, your location, things like that. So we'll ignore this. I didn't have any issues with my last one when I hit it's okay for the low res. So the book is like between 5 by 7. It's probably like a 5 by 8. So now you're able to go through and like pick or preview all of your pages and see what the book layout will actually look like. So you can see like none of these photos are really in the center, and that is due to that's like the middle of the book. So it shifts it over so that you're able to see everything. So sometimes you can tell what side of the book that this might be on. So like that's the right or the left side. This is the right side. So now you can see what it looks like with all my Allie Edwards inserted between all of the New York Times pages. And I think it's a great way to be able to memory keep and have everything in one big book. Right now I'm doing them by month, which is very nice. I really like it. So far I haven't had any issues trying to do it. The other way you can view all your entries all at once, and so you can see like forward to Wednesday will take. You can see there's the journal. You can see where my kids' school artwork, the newspaper, my Allie Edwards stories, my journal, outfits of the day. Like you can see it all grouped together in one main view. I will show you a small snippet of what that would look like so you can see basically what one day would look, or not one day, what all my journals would look like within a book. And again, you have to always choose, if you want this, the weather, tags, and journal in the metadata section. You always got to choose those for some reason. So now it will generate your book, and then you're able to preview it with all your journals combined. I love the map. It is so nice. But yeah, here's my normal journal that I do. Here's my daily outfit journal. This is my normal journal. You can put links in here, but they don't show the actual picture, so downside. Allie Edwards, stories, scrapbooking emails, like it literally shows you everything within it. And this is kind of what the book would look like if I printed it today. So it's kind of a neat little feature. If there is any questions you guys have, let me know. Or if there was something that I missed, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to do another video on that. But I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you do start using the DayOne app at all. Talk to you guys later.